If you work in manufacturing, you probably already know how a flywheel works. Force gradually gets it spinning, and its momentum keeps it spinning until friction slows it down. If you apply the flywheel principle to your business, what forces are you using to gain momentum, to attract prospects, and turn them into loyal customers? And where in your processes is there friction that detracts from prospects and customers' experiences with your business? Hi, I'm Greg Linnemanstons, President of Whiter Group. Join my Manufacturing First 2020 breakout session to learn how the marketing flywheel growth strategy helps businesses of all types and sizes identify opportunities to increase force to create business momentum, and where in their business model there's friction that's slowing them down. The flywheel is a holistic view of your sales, marketing, and customer service operations that puts your customers' experiences at the center, recognizing that your best business opportunities aren't just in attracting more leads, but in turning more leads into customers, turning customers into loyal customers, and turning loyal customers into raving advocates for your business. Attend my virtual session and learn more about the marketing flywheel strategy, how and why it works, and how you can begin implementing it in your organization. Register for Manufacturing First and my breakout session now using the link on your screen.